Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what a break-even occupancy is, but make sure to stay until the very end because then I'll tell you where our wonderful location is for this adventure. So when you're thinking about investing in a deal, you want to make sure that in the investment summary or during the webinar, the operator talks about the break-even occupancy. So that is the lowest percentage or number of economic occupancy that the property can be at in order for the operator to still pay the mortgage and the expenses. So this is super important for two reasons. One, you want to make sure that that number is in the 60s, not in the high 70s or in the 80s, because then the property is very, very vulnerable in case any big renovations are going to be done, or you know that units are going to become available in order to renovate. Another big reason that this is important is because you want to make sure that the operator is doing a sensitivity analysis so that they can have like the bigger picture of where the property has to be maintained in order to, like I said, pay the mortgage and the expenses in order to have that cash flow to pay you that return. So just make sure to double check that the operator talks about that during the investment summary, in the investment summary, or during a webinar. And if they don't, feel free to ask, right? Because that's super important to know that the operator has put the time and energy into figuring that out. But now, do you want to know the very special place that we're at? So Michael and I are in Budapest, yay! So if you look over there, you'll see the Parliament building, and that's super, super cool. Right now we are at another historical site. Maybe we can show you. We're just super, super excited to be exploring. Budapest is a beautiful, beautiful place. I hope you can make it here one day. And if you can't, check out our blog about Budapest, because you'll find it in there. But again, I hope that you enjoyed this content. If you did, please, please, please smash that like button below and make sure to ring that bell so that you get notifications every time we put out new video content. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!